Hey everyone, have you ever wanted to turn your creativity into cash? Canva is a powerhouse tool. And today I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can use Canva to make real money. Plus, I'll demo each idea so that you can see exactly how you can do it yourself. Let's dive in. First up, creating niche digital product bundles. Now, these bundles are a combination of planners, trackers, or other resources that people can use to organize their lives or pursue their hobbies. The best part is they are evergreen, meaning they'll always be in demand. Now, why do you think this works? Digital products are a booming market. They are easy to create and require no physical inventory. And they can be sold repeatedly without any additional effort. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and even your own website allows you to reach your global audience. What makes the method particularly appealing is its scalability. By targeting specific niches such as fitness enthusiasts, budget conscious individuals, or brides to be, you cater to highly motivated buyers who are willing to pay for well designed, practical resources. A successful bundle could easily bring in hundreds of dollars a month. Let's get into the demo. First, you want to open Canva and search for planner template. Now, Canva has just around 20,000 templates that you can choose and customize its colors, its font to match any theme, whether it's a minimalistic look or whether you are looking for a floral style. There are tons of options. You've got planner journals, daily planners, weekly planners, vision planners, and the list goes on and on. I urge you to definitely take a look at that and see what options you can choose. So I'm going to quickly show you how you can go ahead and customize one of the planners. Anything that has a crown, that is a pro feature, and that is also considered a paid version. So let me quickly go into here. I'm going to click on the Vision Planner. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Customize this template. And we have one page that we can, that they have here. Of course, you can duplicate those pages and add as many pages as you would like for your template. You can change the color to whatever suits your needs, whatever the case is. This is really just a crash course in how you can go ahead and make those planners. You can change the font, you can change the words to whatever you're looking to sell. Once you are satisfied with your planner that you're looking to create, you're going to go ahead and click Share, Download. You're going to choose a PDF standard copy, and then you're going to go ahead and hit Download. And right away, your image should populate, and you go from there. A fully customizable planner that is ready for sale. Next, let's talk about brand templates for specific industries. Now, I want you to think about businesses like fitness trainers, realtors, or boutique owners. These entrepreneurs often need a consistent look for their social media and marketing materials, but they either don't have time or skills to create them. Now, why would this work for you? Customizable templates save businesses time while providing a polished professional appearance. Small business owners know the value of branding, but often they lack resources or expertise to create cohesive designs. That's where you come in. By offering niche specific branding kits, you can charge a premium for your expertise. For example, a realtor might pay for an Instagram template pack to promote their listings, while a fitness trainer could use branded story templates to engage their audience. Depending on your pricing, a single client could pay anywhere from $50 to $200 for a well designed package. Let's get into a demo. You want to go ahead to Canva and search for Instagram post template. And then you choose a template and customize it with placeholders for text and photos. Perhaps you want to add a fitness related quote. Let's say it was the fitness related industry that you were looking into. Where it says template, you could even add fitness or real estate, whatever industry you're looking to get into. And there are tons of templates that you can go ahead and choose. For example, right here, you click on customize. You can, change out the image and add just create a template for whatever business that you're looking to target. Duplicate the design and create carousel posts, stories, reels. The list goes on and on. So this is a perfect opportunity that you can do to make some extra cash. So that depends on, of course, the specific industry, as I mentioned. So if you were targeting real estate agents, you would type in perhaps Instagram post template and then real estate right here. And a ton of options could come up for you. So if we look at this one here, maybe you create posts for real estate agents. You could use the similar post all the time or make certain tweaks to it. Every time they've listed a new property, you just add the images and you customize as you see fit. Just like that, you've got a ready to use branding kit. Idea number 3, we have YouTube branding. Now, YouTube branding is essential for content creators who want to stand out. A cohesive look not only attracts more viewers, but it also helps build trust and recognition. Now, why do you think this might work? YouTube creators are consistently looking for ways to improve their channels and attract more subscribers. A professional branding kit that includes a banner, a thumbnail, and an end screen can make a huge difference. This service is in high demand because most YouTubers either lack design skills or they don't have time to focus on visuals. By positioning yourself as a specialist in YouTube branding, you can tap into a lucrative market. You can perhaps charge $100 to $300 for a complete package, depending, of course, on the complexity and your expertise. Let's get into a demo. First, go ahead and head to Canva. In the search field, you're going to type in YouTube channel art and hit enter. And there you're going to find a bunch of templates that you can use to create a branding kit for a client, a potential client. So here are the banners that you can use in order to edit and add some features that will be suited for your client. So I'm going to go ahead and just pull one up. So right here, where you can go ahead, if you like the style, you can choose that style. Go ahead and, perhaps change the color to something that is fun and interesting. Change the font color. There's a ton of stuff that you can use to help your client. You can add, of course, insert rather high quality images or graphics to match whatever the channel niche is. Now, once you have created that, you would then go ahead and hit share, download. And for this one, you would then choose a PNG as the download type. Let's go back here. There are just a ton of them that you can use. You can create brand kits that are specific for thumbnails using similar fonts, and the list goes on and on. Idea number 4. We have pop-up shop or event marketing materials. Pop-up events and local businesses rely heavily on a good design to draw in their customers. High quality flyers, banners, and signage are a must for any successful event. Now, why might it work? Local businesses and event organizers often have tight deadlines and limited budgets, which makes Canva designs an affordable yet professional solution. So pop-up shops in particular, they thrive on their ability to track foot traffic, and well-designed marketed materials can make all the difference. Now, by offering custom designs for these businesses, you can establish long-term relationships and even charge for reoccurring work. For example, you might create an event flyer for $30 to $50 each, or offer a bundle for materials for perhaps, I don't know, $150. Let's get into a demo. Go to your Canva page, and in the search field, go ahead and type in flyer template and hit enter. Now, there are just tons and tons and tons of templates that you can choose from, depending, of course, on the niche that you are focusing on. So in this example, I'm going to go ahead and choose, why don't I go with this barbecue party and hit customize this template. So go ahead and customize as you see fit. You can go ahead and choose different elements. So barbecue, and you can perhaps move some images over and delete some other parts. The list goes on and on for the amount of things that you can do, and it's a great opportunity for you to make a quick buck. Right? Now, once you have created I'm not going to finish this because this is just a quick crash course tutorial. You update as you see fit, and then you will download this as a PDF. Okay, and if it's for printing, then you do a PDF print. If you're emailing and things like that, then PDF standard. Okay, and that's it. Idea number 5. We have Canva animation services. Now, did you know that Canva lets you create animated posts? These are perfect for social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok, where movement grabs attention. Now, why might this one work? Animated content is becoming increasingly popular because it boosts engagement on social media. Businesses are willing to invest in dynamic posts to stand out in crowd feeds. Canva's animation tools allow you to create a professional quality content without needing advanced software like After Effects. Offer these services as part of your social media package or sell individual animated posts for $25 to $50 each. With consistent clients, this can turn into a steady income stream. Let's get into a demo. So this one is super easy. You're going to go to Canva and you're going to choose your social media. You can choose Instagram Reel in this case. And for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to choose just a template that they have, just so we can speed this up. Let's click this one here. So basically, if you added any text, for example, in this case, we can type in follow for more. Whoopsie. Follow for more. And let's change the color to pink. That's why not? And we make it bigger. And then we can add some animation to it. Go to animate, and there's so many. As you can see here, bunks, you can fade it in and out, and the list goes on and on. And then you just go ahead and you download it as an MP4 video. And that's it. You can animate any post, and you don't necessarily have to choose a reel option. You can choose just a regular Instagram still post and add those elements into it, and then it can become a reel. Well, there you have it. You've got 5 ideas that you can possibly use Canva for to make some extra income. Go ahead, try out some of the demos that you've learned today and see what works for you. If you received some form of value from this video, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, hit the like button, and subscribe if you're already not subscribed. I thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.